Read the following sentence. The zip on the bag was jammed, so I pulled on it and played it with grunts and grunts. Grunts means here short, low sound in the throat. That we call grunt. Sound అనేది చాలా చిన్నగా వస్తే దాన్ని grunt అంటాము. Annoyance, pains and disinterest. These are sound words. Here are a few other sound words. Find out their meanings with the help of a dictionary or your teacher. I will tell the meanings of that sounds tonight in your textbook. Everyone. They gave a level different types of sounds. You have to find meanings. First one you see babble. Babble means all members will talk once. What the sound will come?
First.
That we call babble. Okay. Bubbling sound. B-U-B-B-L-I-N-G sound. Okay, bubbling sound. Babble sound means bubbling sound. What again? Find out. Bubbling sound. First one. Babble sound means here bubbling sound. Second one. Bark. The dogs were barking. Bark means here loud noise. Loud noise. Next to grunt. Third one grunt. Grunt means here low sound because of pain. Low sound because of pain. If you have pain, how you will give sound? That we call the grunt. Low sound because of pain or unhappiness. Next to fourth one, grumble. Grumble, making a low continuous sound. Making a low continuous sound. Grumble అంటే
నెంబర్ ఉంది
low continuous sound. Making a low continuous sound. Next one, moan. Moan means also pain. Low sound due to pain. Pain. Next to that is grunt and next to moan. Two are same. Low sound due to pain. Next to sixth one, mumble. Mumble. Speak quietly and not clearly. Speak quietly and not clearly. Speak quietly and not clearly. Mumble meaning. Next to murmur. Make complaining remarks. Murmur అంటే గుడ్డుకోవడం అంటారు. టీచర్ కొడితే ఏం చేస్తాం? అందరూ అదే కదా చేస్తాం. ఓకే, murmur. Make complaining remarks.
एग्जाम्पल तो नहीं होता
मतलब क्या है? Next mutter. Mutter means talk indistinctly. Indistinctively. Otherwise usually low voice. Usually low voice. Mutter. Usually low voice. one, shout. Shout. Utter a sudden loud cry. Utter a sudden loud cry. Shout meaning. Loud cry. Next to 10th one, shriek. Sharp, loud cry. Sharp, loud cry. What you are writing, Jansi? Ah? Stand up. Where is your textbook? Mama. Next to level 1. Speaking softly with the vibration of the vocal parts. Whisper. Whisper. Speaking softly. Speaking softly without vibration of the vocal parts. Speaking softly without vibration of the vocal parts. Whisper. Vocal parts. Important. These are the meanings. In your exam you will get. Okay. Learn that. Next to grammar is active voice, passive voice. First we have to know what is active voice, passive voice. You are finishing this lecture, I will explain the grammar. Okay? Next you see writing. Writing part. Read this letter. Rakesh, read that letter. Vamshi, read that letter.
Powell Avenue, Western Lake, here, Bryson,
Distribution Saint Paul's Avenue, Boston and Hutch.
here, Bryson,
W. Bryson.
W. Bryson, hope you doing well by grace of God. I always remember the days we have spent at different places last summer.
Tourist places.
Tourist places last summer. Here is an important matter I would like to bring to your notice. Very recently when I was on my journey, the airport clerk examined my ticket and travel cards and pointed out that the card with me was your card. I think the exchange of our cards might have taken place when we met at the hotel recently. Hope you will check and send me my card at the earliest. Anyhow, here with I enclose your card with best regards.
What happened in this lesson we have discussed now. Last line. The ticket is in the name of B. Bryson and the card is the name of W. Bryson. Yes? That one only, no? The B. Bryson is there, no? He wrote letter to W. Bryson. The card get missed, no? That's why he wrote that letter. Now what you have to do means, imagine that you were W. right? Son. And write a reply to Bill Bryson. What you have to do? You have to imagine you are at W. Bryson and you have to write letter to B. Bryson. Expressing is regret for this blunder, for this mistake. You have to write a letter to the person. Letter by. mistake happened, no? The cards were changed, no? SBR made that day. The cards were changed. Sorry. Like that you have to write. Say that to the class. Okay? Amen. Talking about any tourist place or pilgrim center that you have visited during holidays. That one also you have to write. Essay. Okay, keep the following things in mind. What place did you visit? Where did you visit that place? What did you see there? What were the interesting things you found there? What places were there? How did you enjoy yourself? Does the place have any historical importance? Base these questions and write there as a topic answer. Okay? Next to design. Listen to the speech on tourism in India by your teacher and answer the following questions. Page number 170. You take. Sit down. You not. That one. A speech on tourism in India. A speech on tourism in India. They are telling about the tourism in our India. About the tourism in our India. Who is telling this about the tourism? We will see in this lesson. See here, it gives me great pleasure to be present here today among us, all of you, the stalwarts of the Indian travel and tourism industry. To celebrate the coming of new era in the industry. It gives me a great pleasure because he is telling about the tourism in our India. That's why we feel very, very happy. Next what he telling means he is telling about the stalwarts. Stalwarts means here brave of the Indian travel and tourism. They have to be very, very proud. Okay, stalwarts means here proud. They have to be very proud to celebrate the coming of a new era in the industry. Not only this, we will get more in a next generation. Era means yugam antundi. ఇంకో యుగంలో మనం డిఫరెంట్గా చూస్తామని చెప్తున్నాం. It is evidence that tourism is a major driver of economic growth globally. For a country like ours, tourism sector is not only a major contributor to the growth of the economy, but a generator of employment opportunities as well. It is evidence. Evidence means
Proof.
Proof. What is the proof means here? Major driver of economic growth globally. This tourism is a great driver. Okay, major driver means great or economic growth. Okay, economic foreigner. India is developing very well in tourism. Okay, in the traveling places, this India is very, very highest position. Okay, economic foreigner development. For a country like ours, tourism sector is not only a major contributor to the growth of the economy, not only this one, economic growth. And next another one also is there. What is that means? Employment opportunities as well. They are getting the employment also. They are getting jobs also in this tourism. Okay, that's why we have to feel very proud. The government primarily plays the role of facilitator. Facilitator means easy way. Easy way which is providing the travel or next whatever the tourist places. You are providing very, very easy way. The person should not get inconvenient. Like that, government is playing a first role in the facilitator acting as a catalyst for the development and the promotion of tourism. Catalyst means here change. The person were changing in that way, easy way. Okay, easy ga change outunnadu. Whatever, whoever the person will come, the person have to feel very, very convenient. Like that, the government were doing. And next, it is absolutely imperative that we not maintain the quality of facilities and service offered, but also bring them at par with the best in the world. Not only these facilities. Okay, next, whatever the services offered, whatever the people will come to the tourist place and they will offer something, no? We want that one, we want this one. But that also government is doing. అది కూడా చేస్తున్నాం గవర్నమెంట్ అన్నారు ఆన్ పార్ మీన్స్ హియర్ ఈక్వల్లీ ది సర్వీసెస్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా ది ఫెసిలిటీస్ వాట్ ఎవర్ దట్ ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఇన్ దట్ ప్లేస్ ఆ ప్లేస్లో ఏమేమి అవసరమో ఏంటి అన్నీ కన్వీనియంట్గా ఇస్తున్నారు ఎటువంటి ఇబ్బంది పడుతున్నారు అయితే గవర్నమెంట్ అనేది పార్ మీన్స్ ఈక్వల్లీ రియలైజింగ్ ద డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ holds the key to the growth of tourism. What is the key to the growth of this tourism means infrastructure. Infrastructure means here buildings, roads, travel, facilities, things, whatever it is, the government is doing. These are all things. It is playing key role. Key role ga play చేస్తున్నారు. The government is investing heavily in integrated development of the infrastructure sector. Like what the government doing means government is giving integrated development means here transport development also. They can travel very, very conveniently. Conveniently travel చేయడానికి కూడా ఇస్తున్నారు. అందుకనే our country is developing in the tourism development. All possible steps are being taken to promote tourism related infrastructure. We are encouraging the hotel and travel industry, developing tourism circuits, working towards preservation of monuments, human resource development and upgradation of information and technology. Next, what we are encouraging is we are encouraging the hotel. Some people will go to that place and they will stay in that hotels. And next to travel industry. This one also we are encouraging traveling to encouraging chestunnaru. And next to developing tourism circuits. Circuits means here routes. Okay, routes kuda easy routes. They are showing that easy routes to us, how we go to reach the place very easily. Like that they are telling. And next to working towards preservation of monuments. Next, wherever we go to that place, we can see the monuments also, from statues also. They are developing that one also in the places. Okay, the people have to attract. That's why next to human resource development, whatever the things that people want, they will developing that there also. దొరకదంటే ఏది ఉన్నదన్నారు అన్ని దొరికే విధంగా వాళ్ళు చేస్తున్నారు. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ అప్గ్రేడేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ టెక్నాలజీ. Next information. How to get? If you want to go to that place means on that mobile we are searching and we are going on. That application also they are developing. Okay, these are all developing. We are encouraging these are all things. That's why the tourism is very easy for us. Next, as the Minister of Tourism, who is telling this speech? Minister. Okay, he is telling. I would like to mention here that in our effort to develop and promote tourism, what is his aim means we want to develop and next we want to support that tourism. That is his aim. And we have also to keep in mind the importance of sustainable tourism and the need of protecting our environment. Next, what we have to remember means we have to remember these two things. One is sustainable tourism. Sustainable means constant. It should not be changed. Tourism is changed out. Sustainable. And next we for protecting our environment. Next what we have to do is we have to protect our environment. We should not use the heavy vehicles. Okay, for that also pollution. Okay, this two things. Next, India is a region with the world's greatest biodiversity and various natural locals. Is an India destination for ecotourism. India is greatest biodiversity. We all know. Living all the animals and the trees, everything is there. Living India is an ecotourism. Yes or no? Yes or no? Ecotourism है ना? We recognize the importance of cleanliness, general hygiene and sanitation in making India a memorable tourist destination in the longer run. This work ensures provision of a better quality of life to your own citizens. Next, what they are telling is, we have to know the importance of cleanliness. Cleanliness should be important. Next, general hygiene. Okay, every person should be hygiene. Hygiene means neat. Okay, neat ఉండడం. And next to sanitation. Because we are getting some different types of viruses. No? That's why we have to be neat, and wherever we go to that place, there also we should be clean, and the place should be also very clean. Clean ఉండాలంట. Then only we didn't get any virus. Next, in the longer run, this will ensure provision of a better quality of our life to our own citizens. What the government doing is, the government is using that every person have to be healthy. That's why these are all that government is doing. Next, domestic tourism is a big contributor to the growth of the sector. Domestic tourism is, we will not go to other countries. In our country only we have to travel, whatever the places we have. Okay, that is called domestic tourism. And what for that only the country is developed. All the people were traveling to that country only. That's why. The number of domestic tourists is increasing every year. What happening is, this domestic tourism will increase because we are all not going to other places. Yes.